So this is a working from home tour collaboration with Bree, Wani, Shakara, and Kenya. Be sure to check out the playlist below to see how we are surviving working from home. Ahead and tell you what I have going on in the room right now for the first part of the video, which is usually what I would do if I'm doing a tour of this space or any space in my home. You can kind of say, like, as a home decor influencer, the spaces are kind of like staged for the video, and then after the video is up, we just put our space back to livable form. I did one of these videos before in my home office. I showed you guys how it looks, you know, if I was working for today. You're going to be amazed on how different the space look once it's filled back up with all my work items that I use to work, because I am still working from home since COVID. Go ahead and start over here. The sconces on the wall are from Z Gallery. I don't think they no longer sell those. I haven't seen them in a while. The vase here was a gift. This is from Z Gallery. This wall art is either from Home Goods or Ross. The wall art over here on this wall is either from, I think these are from Burlington. All my drapes are from Amazon. These vases are from Home Goods. This drawer here I'm using as a file cabinet is from Amazon. It's an earnest piece. This little face here I do not like. I don't know why I still have it. It's actually from Home Goods. I want to just throw it in the trash. I'm just not feeling the face. These little pics here are from Z Gallery, and this is from Hobby Lobby. On this side of the room, the wall art in the middle is from Burlington, as well as the mirrored plaques. These super cute pics here are from Z Gallery, and these vases are from Home Goods. This candle is from Thomas Ferrier. He's a luxury candle guy over on Instagram. He gifted me those several years ago. My fireplace is from Wayfair. My rug is from Well Woven. I love this rug. This is my second favorite rug. The two ottomans on the side, they're storage ottomans. They are from House. My bookshelf over here, I hope the sun doesn't blind you. The sun is about to go down, so it's going down over on this side. These vases here are from Home Goods. These are from either Home Goods or Ross. The taller ones at the top are from Z Gallery. The ceramic books are from Z Gallery. All the other items on the shelf is from Home Goods, except for the Ming boxes at the bottom. The bookshelf itself is from Wayfair. If it's in stock, I will place the link. Actually, I will place a link to anything that is linkable and in stock. So another thing that I'm ready to get rid of is this chandelier. I'm so ready for a new chandelier in this space. I want something black and gold. I have an idea of what I want. It's similar to this one. It just has black and gold features. But this one is from Wayfair. I've had it for many, many years. And yes, I'm ready to replace it. I didn't tell you where the sideboard is from. This sideboard is from Target. Now, let me show you what I have in there. It's not organized at all. I like it because it's sleek and it's just clean and there's nothing going on. You guys are probably saying, what? Felisa don't like anything going on? I think my style is changing because remember I said I had got tired of that glass and chrome dining room table. I was so tired of that mirrored sideboard. I just practically gave it away. I did sell it, but I sold it for a little bit of nothing. But so again, this is not organized, but I just have extra decor in here, more so, you know, candles and, you know, coasters and things like that. And the same thing over on this side over here, just extra candles and things like that. And same thing over here, just extra little whatnots in the space. So now, I'm still working from home. So what would I have going on if this was during the week and I was working? Let me tell you, I would actually have 2 big monitors on my desk. I would have a rolling desk on the side with my laptop, and I'm going to show you how it all would look. And then you're going to see wires hanging all down because I don't have any electricity in my floor to hide the wires. And I don't want to turn my desk facing the wall to hide the wires. Since it's my home, nobody sees the wires but me, but I'm going to share it with you guys. The wires doesn't bother me during the week. It's just when I'm doing a video, I'd like to have everything nice and clean and tidy. I added the first monitor here, and these are the cards here. In order for me to do my job proficiently and effectively, I need all these monitors. So I have both of my monitors on my desk, and what I did here is I used some like hair ties, and I tied these cards up, and I also use a hair tie to tie this card up. I'm gonna see, before the end of the video, I'm gonna see what I can do to these cards here. But let me finish setting up as if I'm working today. I went ahead and added my mouse pad, my mouse, and my keyboard to my desk area. Okay, so I have it together on how I would be working on tomorrow when I get in. So I just did the best that I could with all my cards, and I found a little basket to put my extra cards in. I was thinking about putting some clear tape over that card because a few times I almost tripped over that card just doing this video. So yeah, I may put some tape down there. And so I have my laptop. My laptop is the main unit to get me connection to these units. So what I do is I have to take this card here and I have to insert it in this little area here to give me connection to my monitors on the desk. Yeah, so this is my setup if I was actually working. And one more important thing that I have not done that I do when I'm working, let me show you. This is exactly what I do. This is the exact same little throw. I throw this throw over my white chair. That's how it stays so nice and clean, is because I keep this exact same throw over on it. I throw my pillows either over there on the floor or over there, and I just cover up my chair with this throw here, and that's how it stays so nice and pretty. Yep. And I just go to work here in this space with my 2 monitors and my laptop and my paperwork and my work phone. Okay, so another thing that I added in this space is my wine chiller. This is a New Air wine chiller that I keep wine and water and soda in. I showed you guys this a few months ago. Yep, we keep a little wine. There's no water in there now, but there's soda. So I'll keep that in the office. Actually, it's the only place that I'm going to keep it because I don't have anywhere else to keep it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure you go by and check out the other ladies who's taking part in this collaboration videos on how their office is set up and what's going on with them, and if they're still working from home right now. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.